Principle of atom conservation. Now what is principle of atom conservation? Principle of atom conservation means the total number of atoms or moles of atom on the reactant side is equal to total number of atoms or moles of atom on the product side. Consider the reaction KClO3 changing into KCl plus O2. Now applying principle of atom conservation to oxygen atoms. Now what is the moles of oxygen atom present on the reactant side? This is the reactant side and this is the product side. On the reactant side, oxygen is present in KClO3. Now, from the molecular formula, it can be seen that 1 mole of KClO3 contains 3 moles of oxygen atoms. So, moles of KClO3 is equal to 1 mole, then moles of oxygen atom in KClO3 is equal to 3. So, moles of KClO3 divided by moles of oxygen atom in 1 mole of KClO3 is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplying moles of oxygen atom in 1 mole of KClO3 is equal to 3 into moles of KClO3. This is the moles of oxygen present on the reactant side. Now on the product side, oxygen is present in oxygen molecule. 1 mole of oxygen contains 2 moles of oxygen atom. 1 mole of oxygen contains 2 moles of oxygen atom. Therefore, moles of oxygen is equal to 1 and moles of oxygen atom is equal to 2. Moles of oxygen atom present in 1 mole of oxygen is 2. Now dividing moles of oxygen divided by moles of oxygen atom in 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplying moles of oxygen atom in 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 2 into moles of oxygen. This is the moles of oxygen on the product side. Now according to principle of atom conservation, moles of oxygen on the reactant side will be equal to moles of oxygen on the product side. Left hand side of the equation is equal, therefore right hand side of the equation will also be equal. Therefore it can be written as 3 into moles of KClO3 is equal to 2 into moles of oxygen.